Hi, Dr. Q and Joey Lynn here from Star Nursery. With much of our desert landscaping, we must depend on hardscape items to decorate our yards. These are typically things like decorative rock, pavers, retainer walls, and flagstone.
These are all very good items to use, but often do not add much color to our landscape. And if you are concerned about conserving water and do not want to plant a lot of flowering shrubs, there are other ways to add color to your yard.
One way is to use colorful pots to place around your yard and plant low water use plants like cactus and succulents in them. Or you can plant seasonal color plants in them. With the large selection of decorative pottery now available, you should have no problem finding the colors that you love. They also come in many different sizes and shapes to fit into any area of your yard.
Use larger pots to set on the ground and smaller ones for your patio or on retainer walls. Whatever containers you choose to plant directly into, make sure they have good drainage holes in them. If the decorative pots that you like do not have drainage holes, you can add holes, or you can plant in another container with holes and set it inside the more decorative pot. Once you have selected your container, you will need to make sure you have enough good quality potting soil like Dr. Q's Filthy Rich Gold.
Another way to add color to your yard is to display colorful yard art. Yard art is becoming very popular these days to add color to yards where a lot of plant material is not desired. It can come in many different designs and colors and can be used on or in the ground, on walls, or even in pots. Some create movement with the help of the wind, like windmills or balancing figures. Others can imitate nature, like artificial flowers and plants or different animals in your yard. Our favorites are the quail and the desert tortoise that are always fun to use. As you can see, there's more than one way to get color into your landscape.
Stop by your nearest Star Nursery and check out the many opportunities that you have to add spring color to your yard. For more information, visit us at starnursery.com or on our free app.
And don't forget, we make house calls. Stop by your local Star Nursery location or call 702-771-7827 to make an appointment. Star Nursery, your garden's partner for every bloomin' thing.
I'm Joey Lynn.
And I'm Dr. Q, and we'll see you again next week.